Chatting is a key part of Teams and something you'll use all the time. It allows you to chat with anyone who's using Teams. You'll find the chat app on the left-hand bar, and it shows you a list of all your previous chats. Choose a person from that list and you'll see the chat appear on the right-hand side. To start a new chat, I choose the New Chat button, or I could use Ctrl N on my keyboard. Now I can start typing the name of the person I want to chat with, so I'll add Polly. Now I'm ready to start. I go to the box at the bottom and I type a message, and then choose Send. If you'd prefer to be more formal with your message, you can also choose the Format button that will bring up a formatting toolbar. And from here, it's possible to change the font sizes and styles and drop in things like bullets, links, and tables too. You can also add a priority, attach files, and emojis, GIFs, and stickers. Now, when Polly replies, I can react with an emoji. Every reply has a reaction toolbar. I just hover over it and I can choose one. I can also reply to a specific message by choosing the ellipsis and then reply. And this is really handy if you need to be clear about which message it is that you're replying to. In the panel on the left, you'll now see a card for that new chat. And you can see my chat here with Polly. This is the way you can come back to a chat anytime you like. If I want to pop this chat out into a new window, I can use the pop out button here. And this is handy if I want to keep Polly's chat open while I do other things in Teams. Now, because Polly's chat is one that I'll be using regularly, I can also pin it. I just right click that chat card and choose Pin. And this will put that chat to the top of my list so it's easier to find. You can filter this list by name by choosing the filter button. If I type Polly's name, it will only show me the items with Polly in them. And I can choose the ellipsis here and filter by chat. And now I'm only seeing the chats that I'm currently in with Polly. And I can use the X to clear the filter. Another tip for finding your chats is to use the search bar at the top. Type the name of the person you want to chat with into search, and it will make suggestions based on what you type. Choosing that person will take you to the chat that you're having with them, and you can do this from wherever you are in Teams.